In this lesson, we will demonstrate how to find the equivalent earnings if given the semi-monthly salary. In order to successfully complete this type of problem, we always want to first compute or find the annual salary. So if we're given the semi-monthly salary, the first thing we'd want to do is compute the annual salary. If we were given the biweekly salary, we would again first compute the annual salary, and then we would go and compute the other equivalent earnings depending upon the different manner or frequency in which we're being paid. So in this example, we're paid on a semi-monthly basis, which means two times per month. And since there are 12 months per year, that tells us that there are actually 24 pay periods if we're paid semi-monthly. If we're paid on a monthly basis, that's one time per month, and there are 12 months in a year, so that means there are 12 pay periods when we're paid monthly. If we're paid weekly, there are 52 weeks in a year, so that means there are 52 pay periods if we're paid weekly. And finally, if we're paid bi-weekly, that's essentially every other week. And so in this case, that means there are 26 pay periods. So the first thing we'll do is compute the annual salary. And the way we'll go about doing that is by taking 24 times 2,850 to see that on an annual basis, oops, I left out my y, we end up with $68,400 as our annual salary. $68,400. So to get the monthly salary, we're going to take our annual salary of $68,400. I'll divide that by 12 to see that on a monthly basis my salary is $5,700. On a weekly basis, all we have to do is take my annual salary of $68,400 and I will divide that by 52 to see that my weekly salary is $1,315.38. Okay, and finally, to get my bi-weekly salary, I'm going to take the annual salary of $68,400 and I will divide it by 26, since with bi-weekly we're paid 26 times per year. And when I do so, I see that my bi-weekly salary is $2,630.77.